T-Mobile locks devices to their network to prevent fraud and ensure payment for financed phones. Unlocking allows you to use your device with other carriers. As of October 2025, T-Mobile's policy is user-friendly and compliant with FCC rules. For postpaid devices, unlocking is allowed once the device is eligible, generally meaning it's paid off. Key requirements include the device not being reported lost or stolen, no outstanding balances, and the device being active or recently deactivated within 90 days in some cases. You also need to be the account owner. Remember, unlocking is free if you meet the criteria and can be done via the T-Mobile app or website. First, check your device's eligibility on T-Mobile's website or app using your IMEI. Next, gather your account details, device information, and billing address. Then, submit your unlock request through the T-Mobile online portal. Once submitted, T-Mobile will send unlock instructions via email or text, often with an unlock code if needed. Many newer devices unlock remotely. After unlocking, insert a SIM card from another carrier and restart your device. If you encounter issues, contact T-Mobile support. By 2030, most devices will ship unlocked, supporting the growing refurbished phone market and reducing e-waste.